Hey guys, welcome back to the workshop. So today I want to do a video that is more of a tip video, and it's talking about how we can hold on to small or thin parts on the metal lathe. So stick around, let's get started. During this operation we will face the workpiece and then install some grooves. This will allow the CA glue a little spot to hold on to the workpiece. Before you attempt to glue the workpiece on, be sure to clean it with acetone. I'll put some links in the video description on the bottle that I use that's an acetone dispenser. It's absolutely killer for little jobs like this. For this step, we're going to use the torch to break the bond of the CA glue. Be sure to do this in a well-ventilated environment. After a light sand and a little acetone cleanup, you'll have a nice finish. So if the part that you're making actually has a hole in it, sometimes your best option is making an arbor. So I'll make one of those right now and show you how I do it. When you're finishing your arbor, be sure to leave a little bit of a shelf. That way there's enough room for your part to come on and be secure without wobbling around. That'll let you get it truly concentric. So between those two techniques, that'll get you a good start into some small work holding. If any of you guys have any good tips or tricks, I'd love to hear them. Put them in the comment section below. And I hope you guys have a great week.